Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to rearrange the various options of File Explorer columns in Windows Computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the File Explorer and now let me open our respective drive. So I have a different folders or files. So now here you can see here name, date modified, type and size. So these are the various options present in the File Explorer columns. So in order to rearrange, here I will show you two methods. So the first method is just simply you can drag the respective options where you want to place it depending upon your needs. So this is the first method, and the second method to rearrange the various options, just right mouse click on the respective options and now you can click on this more option. Now you can move up and down the respective options, or you can add more options here depending upon your needs. Which options you want to add also it's possible under this options. So say I want to move this date modified to the top list. So firstly select it and after that just click on this move up. Then it will move up and click on OK. So you can see here it's placed in the first position. So by using these two methods, you can easily rearrange the various options of File Explorer columns in Windows Computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.